Okay, so I'm pretty sure my dog just pranked the crap out of me. Um, I was working with a client. I get out of the room and I find this, right? So I'm freaking out because I'm thinking that something happened to my dog. He's either peeing blood or something happened, right? So I go up to my dog and start checking him out. I'm not gonna pet you. And he has a red mouth, right? Right, you got a red mouth and a red tongue. So I'm freaking out thinking that he's dying, right? And he just stares at me like I'm crazy because my eyes are all watery and I'm freaking out. Hey, Nixie. And this is what he did. Out of all the little bottles of food coloring that he could have eaten, he got the red one. I don't know how he managed to open the cabinet door and get the red food coloring. So, my dog just pranked me. Yeah. Jesus.